Jamaica,
so here
watch
in Black
this.
River and down there is a spring, right? So don't know if you guys can see it. It's a spring down there, and oops, you can't zoom in. All right, let me just leave it there. All right, so here it is that they have a whole system set up, the Samaritan's Purse, and so the water runs from the spring down there, comes all the way up here, gets filtered through this machine, and then it flows, right? Come all the way out here. This is what the international group is doing to give supply to the people in Black River fresh water. And so this is just this is a storage unit there, and this also is a storage right here. So from all the way down there, water comes, this is storage, and then it's filtered all the way through here where the people can get free drinking water. This is the